My dad is my everyday hero. He's not like the superheroes in movies, but he's the best hero in my life. Let me tell you about him. Every morning, my dad wakes up early. He's always ready to start the day with a smile. He makes breakfast for everyone. Sometimes it's yummy pancakes or eggs, and the smell makes me so happy. We sit together and chat during breakfast. My dad tells the funniest jokes that make us all laugh. He asks me about my day ahead, and he listens to everything I say. His smile is like sunshine, making the morning brighter. After breakfast, my dad takes me to school. We talk about lots of things on the way. He's a great listener, and it feels good to share stories with him. He's the best company, even on the longest drives. My dad works hard for our family. Even though he's busy at work, he always finds time for us. When he comes home in the evening, he still has a smile for everyone. He's the happiest when we're all together. One thing I love about my dad is that he reads bedtime stories to me. He picks the coolest stories with heroes and magic. It feels like we're on an adventure together in those stories. My dad teaches me lots of important stuff. From tying shoelaces to solving math problems, he's always patient and helpful. He believes in me, even when I feel unsure. On weekends, we have special dad and me time. We play games, go to the park, or have barbecues. Dad's the best at grilling burgers, and those days are super fun. What makes my dad special is that he's kind to everyone. He helps our neighbors and always lends a hand. His kindness inspires me to be kind too. My dad is my friend. We talk about everything and share our dreams. He's there for me when things are tough and celebrates with me when things are great. Knowing he's on my side gives me courage. Dad's taught me to be honest and kind. He says, being the best isn't important, being your best is. Those words mean a lot to me, and I try my best because of him. Looking back, I see how much my dad does for us. He's a hard-working and caring dad. Even though he doesn't ask for much, I want him to know how much he means to me. My dad's not just a hero at home, he's a hero in my heart. He's the one I look up to, and I want to be just like him when I grow up. I'm grateful for having the best dad in the whole world.